Good morning guys, today is a Saturday. I'm not sure if you can tell by my voice, but I'm not feeling too great. I've just started my fridge and it's gone a little bit crazy. Yeah, coffee's about to knock my camera down. We've been to Sainsbury's already. We went at 9 o'clock this morning, and I'm not sure if it's because the newspapers are saying that there's going to be another lockdown. It was so busy this morning at Sainsbury's, wasn't it, Aiden? It was Hodoyan. Yeah. So because we're not feeling that great, he's a bit sniffly and I've got a really bad sore throat. Even though I have promised him I'm going to get takeaway tonight, even though I shouldn't be eating takeaway, but I have promised him because it's Halloween. So yeah, we thought we'd quickly go to Sainsbury's and get what we need and then come home so that we can spend the whole day at home. So now we've got the whole day at home, haven't we, Aiden? Coffee, sit down. So what we're going to do is something. Oh, Coffee! Don't put your tongue in my mouth, Coffee. Sit down.
You can't put your tongue in your mouth.
Yeah, I just got her tongue in my mouth and it hit my teeth.
Oh.
That's not very clean, is it? She can lick my lips and my face, but not inside the mouth. Yeah, so that is the plan today. Just at home. I've got a lot to get through. I've got a lot to tidy. A lot of rubbish that I need to take downstairs into the recycling bins.
Later?
Yeah, a little later. And then we're going to do some arts and crafts. Some Halloween arts and crafts. We're going to carve a pumpkin. And then we're going to order takeaway.
I want Minecraft.
Yeah. And then we can order takeaway. What do you want for takeaway, Aiden?
Pizza.
Yeah, he wants pizza. That's like my least favourite. Just made Aiden a really simple lunch. We have hot dog fingers, a little clementine which I've put a little piece of like spring onion in, so it looks a bit like a pumpkin, some Halloween Percy pigs and some pom bears. Just made lunch for myself. I am a classic grandma eater. I just love classic foods like this, like a steamed sea bass with preserved veggies and vegetables with oyster sauce and a bowl of rice. This is just like the ultimate comfort food right now. You've had your own lunch, haven't you?
Yes, back to share your joy and sorrows.
What are you playing? Monster game.
Oh yeah, my favourite. 2 people.
2 people.
2 dying. Yes. No.
I'm just watching Adam's Family.
I can use one hand.
Okay. What's your mummy watch?
Mummy, you watch something and then I watch a movie, okay?
We take turns?
Yeah.
Okay, good idea.
You first, because I eat Yanko, what you can with me.
Okay then.
He eats Yanko.
Okay. Thank you. Are we going to carve a pumpkin first, or are we going to make the spooky...
No, you can pick.
Oh, you want me to pick?
Yeah, you can pick, Mommy.
Okay.
I don't want to pick.
But what do you want to do first?
No, you can pick, Mommy. Yeah, I don't want to get my hands dirty.
I'll get my hands dirty then. Is that better?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh my god. So I'm gonna get this guitar.
Everyone will proceed to the dormitory.
Oh my god. Mama, here.
Yeah?
I got the guitar after.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
I can open it if you want to. Open it now or after.
What is that?
Guitar.
It's up to you.
Okay, I'm gonna open it now.
Ah, oh, so unlucky I wasn't there. I know exactly the countercurse that could have spared.
Now you see your forget, look. What, this one, look. Look.
Ask him. This has done it.
Like this.
We do that one.
Go and then stick the tissue on. So like that across. Tissue. Yeah? Just follow the glue lines. Good boy. Oh, I like it. We're finished decorating. It's getting a little bit dark now. Do you want to show them your decorations?
Yeah.
Just show them what we made.
Got a pumpkin.
Yeah, we made some paper pumpkins. Well, we didn't make them. We had those from last year.
And bat.
We made bats the other day that we put on there.
Halloween thing.
And then these are the
Halloween
toilet paper, empty paper rolls from the toilet paper. We made little characters, and Frankenstein looks like he's about to fall off. Maybe stick him back on there. So we made a pumpkin, we made Frankenstein, a mummy and a vampire. Actually really cute. I really love this shears.
Yeah,
Kind of like,
it.
yeah, I love it, Aiden. It's kind of simple, and a lot of the things we made ourselves. So like the bats we made ourselves, the paper toilet bowl things. The only things we actually bought were the paper pumpkins from last year, and then a couple of little balloons, and then obviously a pumpkin which we carved. But otherwise it's quite cheap and easy this year. Yes, darling?
I'm making it.
You're gonna make a big one, and then what we're gonna do is get a takeaway later.
Yay!
What a takeaway?
Pizza!
Pizza. And what movie are we going to watch? We're still watching Harry Potter. This is number 3.
Yeah, I like Harry Potter movie.
I know you
I
do.
like Harry Potter.
Yeah, he's getting bigger and bigger, isn't he?
When I watch every single one.
You want to watch every single one?
Yeah.
Dinner's here. What have we got, Aiden?
Pizza.
Pizza. We've got some chicken. And we've got wedges.
And I'm watching this again.
What is it?
Harry Potter.
Number 3.
Yeah, I like Harry Potter. I watched number 3 in one day.
Yeah, we've watched 3 movies in one day, haven't we?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's eat now.
And you eat all the movies.
Yeah.
Now you guys need what? One more.
I think there's quite a few more, Aiden. Hey guys, welcome back to today's the first day. Today is the first.
Mommy.
Say hello. Today is the first day
Hi.
of.
Mommy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm doing this? I'm going to go ga on the
Okay,
sofa.
cool.
And down.
Cool idea. I love that. Today is the first day of the UK lockdown. Basically all non-essential shops are closed. So hair salons, gyms, beauty places, clothes shops, shopping centres, they're all closed. So the only thing you can go out to buy is like hardware if you need to like repair your house or something. Garden centres are open, and the supermarkets and petrol stations. Even the car washes are closed. So a lot of things are closed. Yeah.
I love you, Mommy.
Oh, I love you too. The schools are still open though, so this guy goes back to school on Monday. But until then, he's still got a few days off, and I'm quite gutted, obviously, because I did plan to do quite a lot with him. This is his birthday weekend, so I did plan to do quite a lot with him, but obviously that's not going to happen. And I'm not even going to moan about it, because I know that there's more important problems than him just like losing out on a birthday weekend. Like, it's not a big deal. Obviously I am gutted, but it's not a big deal. Like, we can always do these things after lockdown, so it's not too big of a deal, and it doesn't seem to bother him that much. I explained to him what's happening. I said everything's going to be closed. So on Tuesday I actually took him to do some things that he wanted to do for his birthday, which was go to Build-A-Bear and buy a bear and stuff it. Yeah, you got
combo
panda from Ryan's World. And then we went bowling.
I like Ryan's.
You know, we went bowling. We played games. We got lots of tickets.
And I like the dinosaur game.
The dinosaur games were favourite, and we went to eat pizza, didn't we? Pizza is his fave. That's like the lunch that he wanted.
Mama, you know what's my favourite game at bowling ball?
What?
Bowling and dinosaur game.
Yeah, we got lots of tickets, didn't we? So he has done something for his birthday, and he understands. Like, didn't seem too fussed. I was like, we're just gonna be like staying at home. If the weather's good, we can go out for a walk. We can go to the park, and parks and kind of like large areas are still open. So yeah, we can go play scooter with coffee, take coffee with us, and yeah, we're just gonna stay at home. Get a takeaway. What takeaway do you want?
Pizza.
Pizza again?
No, fish and chips.
Fish and chips. We have pizza for Halloween. So you want fish and chips for your birthday? Yeah, so he's really simple, he doesn't mind. So I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, it's just a bit of a time for everyone, especially with the elections in America. The whole kind of like country is on lockdown, and there's just so much going on in the world that it just feels really heavy. I try not to watch the news too much. I just check the news on my phone now and again to keep updated, but I don't watch the news because honestly it just makes me so depressed, like that all of these things are going on in the world.
I'm going to go.
Yes, darling?
I'm going to take my Christmas cookie time, and I'm going to see my Christmas cookie time go up all the way to here.
Okay, cool. We'll do that after Mummy's mopped the floor, okay? So yeah, I've got enough food for maybe like a few days, like 3 or 4 days. And the supermarkets are open, so I didn't stock up or anything, and there's no need for it. There's no point. The supermarkets are open. If you need something, then just go when you need it. After Mummy's mopped the floor, yeah, so I'm gonna go mop the floor. Today's a chill day. If you're wondering why I'm all dolled up, I've got my makeup done, my hair done, I've got like cozy knitwear on. It's because I just did a little bit of work. I had to shoot some content. What?
Those ones.
Brioche.
Yeah.
You love brioche, don't you? I just filmed some content.
And Mama,
I'm gonna get back into my PJs on my loungewear.
Brioche tonight. I want to look at a Minecraft movie with brioche.
Okay.
The bubba.
Okay. I don't know why hair fever seems to be a bit strong today, even though it's not like sunny or anything outside. But yeah, that's just the little update, and I thought I'd end the vlog with a proper ending as well.
I got my bike here, guys.
Yeah, you have. We had such a good Halloween. Like,
Yeah.
I liked it. Even though we just stayed at home, it was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, he's going back to school next week,
And
so
Mama,
I'm just going to take these next few days easy.
You don't need to go trick-or-treat. You guys can buy candies.
Yeah, we don't need to go trick or treat, just buy candies, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's easy.
That's easy, yeah, that's a smart way of doing it. just go buy the candy or sweets. So yeah, I thought I'd just end it up. I really hope you guys are keeping well. Whatever's going on in the world, just try and keep positive. I know it's harder than said, but I believe that things will get better for everyone, and yeah, you just have to keep positive. And sending you all a virtual hug. I just wanted to end it on a positive note and like say, if you ever want to talk, or if you ever want someone to vent to, message me. I'll always message back. Well, I'll try to always. But I'm always here, and I hope you guys are going to be okay. I hope everyone's going to be okay, and yeah. Yes, darling?
I want you to mop the floor.
yeah, I'm gonna mop the floor very soon. Yes, I'm gonna go mop the floor now. And until my next video, I shall see you guys
And look,
soon.
guys.